Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. This does have the hands-free access with the swipe to open and close. All season floor mats. Also included is the premium one package with blind spot assist, a dark wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation and voice command, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, touchpad wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 38,351 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.